Hello friends, this is the review for mini blender and grinder from Glen, model number GL-4045BG. That's available here in India, and this is the standard packaging that you get. There's a compact packaging out here. And it gives you some of the basic features. It says compact size 500 ml blender and 30 gram grinder. They expect you to put not more than 30 grams in the small grinder, food grade transparent bowl and transparent lid, push button switch, a rust resistant stainless steel blade, and 300 watt of power from this motor. And on the other side, some vendor information, and this is some graphics telling you how you can use it. And at the top you have some price. MRP is $25.90 and size is 230 into 120 into 260 millimeters. It has basic unit, grinder, jar, blender, filter and manual. And let me unbox this. This is the standard packaging, the top protection, and some documentation. And there isn't anything, and there's some cover. Let me check this. This is the standard user manual in English, just kind of leaflet telling you the basic features and all, and what all you can do, and some specifications also. And this is the main power unit with the motor and the top jar. This is the top jar, and this is the main unit. It has this power cable with 2-pin Indian pin round, and at the bottom you have 3 mini suction kind of things and serial number and some branding information given, and 3 screws with vent. It's pretty compact, it's the size of my palm. And this jar that is there, this has stainless steel inside and transparent cover at the top. It has very less capacity, obviously for 1 or 2 person it's okay. And I go ahead with this jar. This is a blending jar, 500 ml capacity. The body seems okay. It's so transparent, and the top lid, once it comes out, then this is the juicer filter. I think for this itself, this cap is there. If you fit it at the top, then you can pour it. For example, you put it like this and this cap, and then you can pour out the juices, whatever you do. And without this also, this is around 500 ml jars. You can make chutneys and blend things out here. No markings of a millimeter or anything, but possibly maybe till here you can just put it. And body seems plastic, but I don't know how tough it would be. This is a fine mesh that can take juices of, maybe take out coconut milk, tomato juice, grape juice. And the motor is just 350 watts, so I think you cannot crush ice in this as written in the manual. I'll just work it out and see how much is the noise of the motor. Now I've put around 100 ml of water, and these have two notches that are to fix in the notch holes at the bottom unit, and you should get it firmly fixed. Yes, it's not very stable, so you have to hold it from the top and keep on pressing it. And now I have powered it up from the point, and this is the pulse operation. You just have to possibly just press it. There is no button hold on it. You have to keep pressing it for around 30 seconds max time you can operate, and then you can keep giving pulse, and you can see the motor noise. That's the kind of noise that you get, so it's okay. It works fine. Mini blending jar, that's the function it has. And sometimes I'll try to juice up and see how it happens. That's the way it is. And good for two people. I hope I've clarified most of your queries. Thank you.